Now, wetin dey cause autism sef? People wey dey shook eye on top how small pikin brain dey develop for inside their mama belle don come out come talk say e get some things wey fit cause autism for this small pikin dem. Dem talk this one for one country wey dem dey call Australia. The first thing wey fit cause autism na wetin oyinbo dey call genetic factor. The genes or that genetic factor na wetin we dey take dey resemble our parents. This one mean say that autism dey inside that family and the pikin go come inherit am. Another one na im oyinbo dey call environmental factors. The stomach of the mama, the belle wey the pikin go dey for 9 months, na im be the environment of the pikin. Anything wey the mama put inside that environment, e go affect that pikin. If the mama drink alcohol the time wey im get that belle, that alcohol go affect the pikin brain. Alcohol na im be kai kai or shepe. If the mama dey smoke the time wey im get the belle of that pikin, e go affect how the brain of that pikin go develop. Woman wey get belle wey dey take medicine wey doctor no prescribe for am, or medicine wey you no suppose take as a pregnant woman, that one go fit affect the development of the brain of that pikin. If woman sick the time wey im get belle, e fit affect the brain of the pikin too. Woman wey no drink water wella that time wey im get belle, e fit affect that pikin. If woman dey work or im dey live where chemical dey smell every, that one sef fit affect the development of that pikin brain. If the mama dey chop big fish like swordfish, king mackerel, large tuna, shark and fish wey dem dey call tilefish, this one fit affect the brain of the pikin wey dey inside im stomach, because all these big fish dey get one thing wey no good at all for small pikin brain. Dem dey call that thing mercury. One professor wey im name be Thomas Bourne don shook eye for the body of children wey get autism, come compare am to children wey no get autism, come see say those ones wey get autism no too get vitamin D for their body. This one show say when pikin mama no take vitamin D for the time wey im get belle, e go affect the pikin brain too. Another problem be say if mama no take folic acid or the other vitamins wey im suppose take the time wey im get belle, this one fit affect how the pikin brain go take develop. The last one wey we go talk na the age of the mama and the papa. People wey dey shook eye on top this matter don talk say make everybody dey born by the time dem reach 21 years and make dem stop the born before dem reach 35 years. This one na sake of say the genes wey dey the body of the mama and the papa fit begin scatter after dem don reach the age of 35 years. I don talk am say gene na wetin dey make pikin dey resemble im mama, im papa or one family member. So if pikin inherit genes wey don scatter, this one fit affect the way wey the brain go develop. Wetin woman dem fit do to try escape this autism gbege? Check this one for the next video.